Remix. Yo, it goes. Yo. Yo. Yo, it goes, yeah, my shoes are fitted, I'm spitting like I'm lifted, a 2-ton brick, couldn't shift my intuition, the way I blow the stank, it's like I'm living in the clouds, shorty said she want a baller, well baby, I'm ballin' now, I'm not trying to get a Benz or a Bentley, I want a Subaru, and I look like I could do anything I wanna do, so haters suck my jelly sickle, because I'm rich and not the catcher, I'm the pitcher, so bitch, take a picture, got a revolver and a semi, always loaded, never empty, take a class in my gangster, cause I never copy any, I got swag, I got class enough to top any rapper. If she hopping on my dick, she couldn't hop any faster. 2 girls, 140 bling, yeah, that's my scheme. And the worser that I treat them is the worser that they cling. So call me a player, a dick, or whatever, baby. You still calling me a knight, trying to be my lady, trying to steal my power, trying to take me off the stage. But you won't get any response, cause it's always too late. I'm a G, I'm a king, you could call me 40 bling. I just rap, I don't sing, join my team. Now me, Beamer, Benz, or Bentley, Beamer, Benz, or Bentley, yeah, I'm always fucking vented. And if you got a pussy, I'll dent it. Alright, so, I said I would give all my fans some shout outs, because I love you, so I'm about to do that. It goes, yo goes Taylor, Mickey, Chelsea, Shane, Kayla, Dominic, Montana, Jesse, Autumn, Eric, Jennifer, Jocelyn, Marina, Ashley, Jimmy, Justine, Samantha, Shelby, Jussie, Shayna, Zach, Lissa, Peter, Anna, Kelly, Crystal, Scylla, Montana, Nate, and Jay Cobb. And I love my fans, I love my fans, I love my fans.